I made this video because I find students really like to use the Chinese structure 一边 or 又 when they expressing multitasking, but they often use them incorrectly. Both structure can be translated as at the same times, with 一边 being close to while and 又 close to and. However, most of the time they are not interchangeable in Chinese usage. Let's check out why. Despite having similar meanings, this structure can't be swapped. When the 一边 and 又 structure link verbs simultaneously, 一边 is typically followed by a verb or verb phrase. 又 is usually followed by a single character verb. I can't say this always been in this case, but in actual usage, single characters verbs are more common. Let's check out examples. With 一边，他一边吃饭，一边喝水。With 又 we say 他又吃又喝。妹妹一边唱歌，一边跳舞。With 又 we say 妹妹又唱又跳。弟弟一边看电视，一边吃冰淇淋。弟弟又看又吃。So here we can correct this sentence that students make this mistake. 在下雨的星期六，我喜欢又听音乐又读书。The correct way we say 在下雨的星期六，我喜欢一边听音乐一边读书。The structure 又 plus adjective is used to describe the coexistence of attributes or state, which is 一边 doesn't cover. 又 plus adjective describes state of things. We say 哥哥又饿又累，天气又热又湿，房间又明亮又干净。这道菜又麻又辣，好吃极了。Or the structure 又 plus adjective describe complex emotion or experience.
Emotional damage.
Like 工作了一天，我又累又困。听到这个消息，他又哭又笑。再次见到他，我激动得又兴奋又紧张。Okay, that's all. Thank you for your watching.